Now we invite you to read the disclaimer. The content presented on the Stone Research channel is for informational and educational purposes only. They do not constitute an investment recommendation or financial advice. Investing in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments involves a high risk of capital loss. Consider whether you understand the risks involved and whether you can afford them. For more detailed information, see the video description. The full disclaimer is available at website stonersarch.io. Disclaimer. Please read it before viewing this material.
All sources used in the report and the full disclaimer are available at stonersarch.io. We invite you to listen to the report. We invite you to listen to an abridgment of the full report on Intel. The entire report can be found on our website, stonersarch.io. Introduction. Intel Corporation, a pioneer in the semiconductor industry since its founding in 1968, has been synonymous with technological innovation for decades. Known for its dominance in microprocessors powering PCs, servers, and other devices, Intel has long held a leadership position. However, as the semiconductor industry rapidly evolves, Intel is grappling with an uncertain future. Delays in process node advancements, intensifying competition, and shifting market dynamics have created significant headwinds. This analysis dives into Intel's current state, opportunities, threats, and strategies to redefine its place in a fiercely competitive landscape. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Legacy of innovation. Intel's rich history of innovation has established it as a trusted name in the semiconductor market. Its x86 processors have been the backbone of personal computing for decades. Vertical integration, IDM. Intel's integrated device manufacturer, IDM, model gives it control over both design and manufacturing, which, despite recent challenges, remains a key differentiator. Expansive ecosystem. The company's presence spans PCs, data centers, Internet of Things (IoT), and AI, providing diverse revenue streams. Strategic partnerships. Long-term collaborations with tech giants like Microsoft and Dell ensure a steady demand for its products. Weaknesses. Process node delays. Intel's failure to transition to smaller nanometer process nodes, e.g. 10 nanometers, 7 nanometers, on schedule has allowed competitors like AMD and TSMC to outpace it technologically. Dependence on legacy segments. A significant portion of Intel's revenue still relies on the stagnating PC market, leaving the company vulnerable to declining consumer demand. Struggles with efficiency. Intel's chips often lag behind competitors like AMD and Apple Silicon in energy efficiency, a critical factor for mobile and high-performance computing devices. Opportunities. AI and machine learning growth. Intel's focus on AI accelerators and its Habana Labs acquisition position the company to tap into the rapidly growing AI market. 5G infrastructure. Investment in 5G technology and edge computing can open new revenue streams in telecommunications and IoT. Rising data center demand. With the explosion of cloud computing, Intel's Xeon processors and server solutions remain critical for enterprise infrastructure. Government backing. The U.S. CHIPS Act and European Union semiconductor subsidies present opportunities for Intel to expand its manufacturing capabilities and regain market share. Threats. Intense competition. AMD, NVIDIA, and Apple Silicon are disrupting Intel's dominance with superior products, from CPUs to GPUs and AI chips. Geopolitical tensions. U.S.-China trade disputes and global supply chain vulnerabilities pose risks to Intel's operations and growth. Economic slowdown. Reduced consumer spending and corporate budget constraints could slow PC and server sales. Competitor landscape. Intel faces an uphill battle against formidable rivals. 1. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. AMD's Zen architecture and advanced manufacturing processes with TSMC have given it a significant edge in performance and efficiency. AMD's EPYC processors now dominate the server market, once Intel's stronghold. 2. NVIDIA. NVIDIA has captured the AI and data center segments with its GPUs and custom solutions. Its CUDA platform remains the gold standard for AI and machine learning. 3. Apple Silicon. Apple's M-series chips, based on ARM architecture, offer superior energy efficiency and performance, reducing reliance on Intel and Mac computers. 4. TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. As the leading contract manufacturer, TSMC supplies cutting-edge chips for Intel's competitors, amplifying their technological advantages. Regulatory and geopolitical dynamics. Intel's challenges extend beyond competition to broader regulatory and geopolitical landscapes. 1. U.S. CHIPS Act. Intel stands to benefit significantly from government subsidies aimed at boosting domestic semiconductor production. Plans for new fabs in Arizona and Ohio highlight Intel's commitment to revitalizing its manufacturing capabilities. 2. Supply chain risks. Global reliance on Asian manufacturing hubs, particularly Taiwan and South Korea, exposes Intel to disruptions from geopolitical tensions and natural disasters. 3. Export restrictions. The U.S. government's restrictions on advanced chip exports to China could limit Intel's access to one of its largest markets. Strategic initiatives. Intel's future hinges on its ability to execute its strategic initiatives effectively. Key plans include: 1. IDM 2.0 strategy. Intel's renewed focus on manufacturing, including opening its fabs to external customers, aims to compete directly with TSMC. The success of this strategy depends on Intel's ability to deliver advanced process nodes on time. 2. Foundry services. Intel Foundry Services (IFS) is a bold move to challenge TSMC and Samsung in the contract manufacturing space. Winning customers will require competitive pricing and advanced technologies. 3. AI and quantum computing investments. Intel's development of neuromorphic chips and quantum processors aims to establish leadership in future computing paradigms. 4. Product roadmap optimization. Intel has pledged to accelerate its process node advancements, with plans to achieve 28 angstrom nodes by 2024 to 2025. Timely delivery will be critical. 5. Sustainability efforts. Intel is working toward achieving net zero emissions and enhancing its environmental practices to meet global ESG standards. Opportunities in emerging markets. 1. AI and machine learning. The rise of generative AI presents a massive opportunity for Intel's AI processors, including its Habana Labs Gaudi AI accelerators, which promise high performance at competitive costs. 2. Edge computing. With IoT and edge devices proliferating, Intel is well positioned to provide processors and network solutions optimized for these applications. 3. 5G deployment. Intel's network processing solutions can capitalize on the global rollout of 5G infrastructure. 4. Automotive sector. Intel's Mobileye division, focusing on autonomous driving technologies, remains a key player in the growing smart vehicle market. Risks and challenges. Execution risks. Intel's history of missing deadlines on process node advancements continues to be a concern. Successful implementation of IDM 2.0 is essential for rebuilding credibility. Market share erosion. Competitors are rapidly capturing Intel's traditional strongholds, forcing the company to innovate or lose relevance. Financial pressures. Intel's recent cost-cutting measures, including layoffs, highlight the financial strain of its turnaround efforts. Conclusion. Intel's journey reflects both its storied legacy and the immense challenges it faces in retaining relevance in an industry defined by rapid innovation. With aggressive strategic investments, government backing, and a focus on emerging markets like AI, IoT, and 5G, Intel has pathways to growth. However, execution remains a critical factor. The semiconductor giant's ability to deliver on promises, regain technological leadership, and navigate complex geopolitical and competitive landscapes will determine whether it thrives in the next era or cedes its crown. This expanded overview provides a thorough framework for discussing Intel's current challenges, opportunities, and strategic direction in your podcast. It blends technical insights with broader market dynamics for an engaging and informative segment. Now we invite you to a short commercial.
Want to know everything about the company or project you are investing in? Contact us, info@stoneresearch.io. Visit Webeast, stonerzarch.io.
Thank you for listening. We invite you to follow our website, stonerzarch.io. We are also at x.com/stonerzarchio.